right here. We're going to be playing a game called Sound Effects. Sean is going to be providing sound effects for a scene, so I better not hear any sound effects from you guys. Just dialogue. Okay? From this side, what's somewhere besides here that you would never want to go?
Wherever the Kool-Aid man lives.
What sides? Where?
Wherever the Kool-Aid man is from.
Okay. You guys are doing the sound effects about the Kool-Aid man breaking into your house.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Who's that? Why is it so dark in here?
I don't know, maybe I'll turn on the light. Maybe someone's coming.
Good idea. It's so light! What's that red stuff on the ground?
I don't know.
Where did our brick wall go? I think it was a cougar!
Someone's shooting!
No, it's okay. It was a cougar.
Oh, look at the cougar! Yeah. He's here, let's pat him.
Did you see the way that it looked at me?
His little beady eyes.
Now it looks like he's licking up that substance on the ground. It was red. Grab the harpoon gun. It's under there.